Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, and whatever. And I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you guys. I know you heard that. I know you heard that. But today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get the wet look and how to make it last all day. Now, you're probably wondering, like, what is on your head? This is my curly hair. I just brushed it out and made it really big and poofy so I can really show you guys what I do, how I do it, because I get a lot of questions about my curly hair and everything. And I'm trying to hurry up because I'm about to go make some TikToks. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok, Kuna932. I'll put it down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, let's get into the video. So the only things that you're gonna really need for this is water and some gel. I don't use mousse and stuff like that. Why? I don't know. I don't have nothing against mousse. I'm pretty sure if you just put some mousse in your hair, it'll probably work, but I don't think it's gonna last as long because gel has more of like a hold. So basically what I do, I go section by section. So I split the hair into 2 sections, and then that section I split it into 2, and then I just start off by spraying it. I spray the ends, and I kind of like do this, and I just keep spraying it, and I keep spraying it, and I keep spraying it. I just keep spraying it, and slowly the curls start to come to life, and I just run my fingers through it. I don't really use a brush or a comb or anything like that, because it causes your hair to shed and it makes your curly hair really, really thin. And I don't want to do that. Also, I don't glue my wigs down. Like, I barely ever glue my wigs down. I don't be gluing it down because my edges, my hairline is weird. And if I always glue my wigs down, I won't have any edges. And I love getting box braids, so I need to have my edges. So I'm gonna have a video about how I put my wigs on too. And then I'm gonna have an updated one because I found a new method that I want to try, and if it works out well, then yeah. So basically that's it, right? So you see my curls, they come through, they came through. So this is the part where you get some Eco Styler gel. This is a big tank. I've had this for like a year or more. So you just take a little bit, and this can vary. I take about this much. It all depends on how curly, like how wet look you want your curls to be. Sometimes I want my hair to be more poofy. I'll insert like a picture or a video of my hair when it's a little bit more poofy. So when I do that, I just put a little bit of gel, a tiny little bit. And when I do that, I also don't divide it into that many sections. I don't really divide it into that many sections. I just divide it into 2, spray with water, pillow, gel, so it stays more poofy. But for the wet look, you want to divide it into 4. You put the gel all over, right? And then you do this right here. You scrunch it up like that. And then that's how the hair is gonna look. And now on to the next section. I'm gonna just repeat these steps. My mirror's right here, but y'all are right there. But y'all gonna still be able to see what I do. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed it up now, and I'm gonna just stop talking because I need to hurry up so I can go make some TikToks and take pictures before the sun goes away. So you basically kind of like start from the ends and then work your way up. Alright, so I just wanted to stop and show you guys the difference of how it all started. Hold on, let me. This side needs a little bit more scrunching and a little bit more water because it's still a little like poofiness going on over here. Okay, so basically what happened, I kind of ran into a little, not like, it wasn't really a knot, it was just kind of like an area of the hair where it was just kind of poofy. I just ran the comb through it a little bit so that I can get rid of that and the curls can divide better. And then I just do that and I spray a little bit more water on it. Hope y'all get what I'm saying. I hope y'all have a good view. I think you have a pretty good view of what I'm doing. So yeah, this is the difference. This is this side, this is the other side. Basically, the hair is gonna stay just like this for the rest of the day. It's gonna stay just like this. This whole wet lip thing is gonna stay just like this the rest of the day. And basically, because it's gel, at some point, like, well, I let mine air dry, so sometimes it gets crunchy. But what you do when it gets crunchy, literally you just go like this to the hair, just beat it and like flap it around and it'll come back to life. So maybe by the end of the video, this part will kind of be a little dry and it'll be a little crunchy, so I can show you guys. Ew, there's so much gel on my shoulder. All right, y'all, so this is a little update. This is how the hair is looking. I realized throughout that I wanted it to be a little bit more poofy, so I went in and I kind of like beat it up, separated some of the curls a little bit more. I'm trying to get the light. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I beat it up and whatever, threw her all around. So now she's a little bit more poofy. She's still not as poofy as I would want because I already put like gel and stuff in there, but it's okay. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the curls and how they look. Really nice curls. It's really nice curls. If you guys are interested in this wig, this is the same wig, same curly wig that I did a review on, an unboxing on, and an update on. So I will link both of those videos down below. I don't really know where I'm gonna put this clip in the video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, add me on Snapchat because I'm most active on those. I also took some great pictures just now in this bomb lighting. I gotta see if I like them. If I don't like him, I'm gonna just have to suck it up and like the one that I hate the least and use it as the thumbnail and post it on Instagram and stuff. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Alright, so now on to the next side. Just basically repeating the steps. I usually have the little clamp thing, but I can't find it right now. So again, splitting it into two. Putting this shoulder to the back and just dealing with this one. Start spraying the ends. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but as you, yeah, I didn't mention it, but as you spray, I really hope my camera is not wet. Okay. But as you spray, right? I just sprayed my whole face. My life is a mess. But as you spray, you run your fingers through and you kind of like separate the curls. Y'all been seeing me doing that, but I didn't mention it. But do that. Do that. Just make sure you do that, okay? If you don't do that, it's probably gonna look the same, but still do it, okay? Right. Just say so. Also kind of want to do these. As you spread, just on your fingers for the wrist. It helps to separate the curls and stuff and brings them back. See that? So, a piece of hair got in my eye. So I'm about to go take the thumbnail pictures for this video after I'm done. Alright, y'all, so basically that's it. Let me show y'all how it looks. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up myself. It's usually not this messy when I do it by myself, but since I was like trying to show y'all and stuff, it was kind of, it got a little messy, I guess. But yeah, that's literally all it is. Now I'm about to do a little cute little montage of me showing y'all the hair. This side is dry for the most part, but it's not crunchy. And yeah, it's not crunchy because I guess I didn't put that much that much gel. But if it does get crunchy, I already told you what to do. Just play with it, scrunch it up a bit and stuff like that. Or if you just simply keep playing with it throughout the day, like as it dries, it's less like, it won't get crunchy. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a little comment down below and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, oh my god, my shirt is wet, but it's not that wet. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next one.